Hello students, welcome back to my channel, that is Study with Prabin sir. Today we will discuss some more previous year questions on chapter ratio and proportion. These questions are coming frequently in your SSC exams such as CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPO and GD. So let's get started. Question number 6. The mean proportional between 3 plus root 2 and 12 minus root 32 is dash. Now here mean proportional, mean, that means here we can write these questions as follows: 3 plus root 2 is to x double is to x is to 12 minus root 32. As we know that product of extreme term is equal to product of mean terms, so this implies this can be written as x square is equal to 3 plus root 2 into 12 minus root 32. So this implies x is equal to 3 plus root 2 into 12 minus root 32. So root over, whole root over. So that is equal to here 3 plus root 2 into here this can be written as 12 minus 4 root 2. Now root 32 is equal to 4 root 2. Then root over. Now how this root 32 is equal to 4 root 2? Now 32 can be written as 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 5 2's are there. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32. Now for root over, that means if it is root over 32, then we have to root over all these numbers. Now that means that is equal to, for 2 2's we can take 1 2. Again for 2 2's we can take 1 2. And here there is 1 2 left over. So this is equal to 4 root 2. So here this is equal to 3 plus root 2 into, we can take 4 as common, so it is 3 minus root 2 root over. Now So this is equal to, now here root over 4 is 2, so it can be written as 2 root over 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2. So that is equal to, here a plus b into a minus b, so that is a square minus b square. So it can be written as it can be written as 2 into a square minus b square. So that is equal to 2 root over of 9 minus 2. So that is equal to 2 root 7. That means your option 2 is the right answer. Now next question. Before going to next question, one thing I must tell, that if you want the complete chapter of ratio and proportion, then I have given the link of this chapter in this video in description section. Now question number 7. Question number 7. If 2 times of A is 3 times of B and also equal to 4 times of C, then A is to B is to C is less. Now it is given that 2A is equal to 3B is equal to 4C. Then what is the ratio of A is to B is to C? Now this can be written as, suppose this is equal to K. Now A is equal to K by 2. Again B is equal to K by 3. Again C is equal to K by 4. So if it is given that A is to B is to C, we have to find A is to B is to C. So that is equal to K by 2 is to K by 3 is to K by 4. Now here all K's are cancelled. So that is equal to, this can be written as, that is equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Now it is in fractions, then we have to convert it into whole numbers. So for converting whole numbers, we have to first find the LCM of denominators, numbers of denominators. Now, so LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. So we can, next step, we can multiply that LCM with each fraction. Now here 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12. So that is equal to, so here I have tried, that is equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3. That means here 6 is to 4 is to 3. Here option 4 is the right answer. Now next question. Question number 8. if W1 is to W2 is equal to 2 is to 3 and W1 is to W3 is equal to 1 is to 2, then W2 is to W3 is this. Now here it is given that W1 by W2 is equal to 2 by 3. Again, W1 by W3 is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to find W2 is to W3. Now here, listen, this W1 by W2 is equal to 2 by 3. So this implies W2 divided by W1 is equal to 3 by 2. So now W2 by W1 is equal to W2 by W1, sorry, here it is W2 by W1 is 3 by 2, then W1 by W3 is 1 is to 2, then it can be written as W2 by W1 into W1 by W3 is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. So that is equal to 3 by 4. Now here this W1 cancels this W1. So that is equal to W, here it is W3, W1 by W3. Now this implies W2 by W3 is equal to, right here, W2 by W3 is equal to 3 by 4. That means 3 is to 4. So here option 1 is the right answer. Now next question. Question number 9. If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4 and B is to C is equal to 8 is to 9, then A is to B is to C is dash. Now listen, it is given that we have to find A is to B is to C. Here A is to B is given as 3 is to 4 and B is to C is given as 8 is to 9. So here according to our rule, this can be multiplied. In the arrow direction we can multiply that and put that number in that place. 8 into 3 is 24, 8 into 4 is 32 and 4 into 9 is 36. Now listen, this can be minimized. So here if 24 is divided by 4, 24 is divided by 4, it becomes 6. Again 32 is divided by 4, it becomes 8. And again 36 is divided by 4, it becomes 9. So here 6 is to 8 is to 9. 6 is to 8 is to 9. That means option 3 is the right answer. So if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.